If you're a baker, sweet treat maker, or small business owner who specializes in making candy apples, the stuffed chocolate caramel apple slices with the best caramel apple recipe in town will be cute and delicious to add to your sweet treat menu. I am here to inspire you all the way from the tip top of the Blue Ridge Mountains. If you are new to me and Candy Apple TV, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the all bell notifications so you don't miss out, because we talk about all things candy apple related and sweet treats. Let's make the best candy apple recipe in town. This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. Here I have my heart-shaped silicone mold. I purchased this from Michael's. Here I am cutting the heart-shaped silicone mold into 6 pieces. This makes it easier to spread the chocolate throughout the silicone mold. Using a silicone cup that was also purchased from Michael's, I will melt my chocolate using Ghirardelli. You can use the instructions on the back with no oil or Paramount crystals, or you can use 1 cap to 2 capfuls of vegetable oil and melt your chocolate every 30-second interval. This is Color Mill's oil-based candy color for chocolate. I will color my chocolate here in a few seconds. First, you add your chocolate to your heart-shaped silicone mold. Spread the chocolate throughout your heart-shaped silicone mold like this. Then place your chocolate heart shape in the freezer for it to shape up. Any extra chocolate that spills out, take a clean, damp paper towel and wipe it off. I will apply now milk chocolate in the heart-shaped silicone mold to make my chocolate heart. Repeat the process. I will place this chocolate heart in the freezer as well to shape up. Now I am going to pour white milk chocolate into a bowl and color it using oil-based chocolate color by Color Mill. This is the candy color. Repeat the process by pouring the pink chocolate in the heart-shaped silicone mold. Spread the chocolate throughout the mold and then place it in the freezer. Wipe off any extra chocolate with a clean, damp towel on the edges. Now I am going to color my chocolate yellow with oil-based food color that I purchased from Joann's. I believe this is Joann's, or either it's Walmart. Joann's and Walmart sells the same thing. Repeat the process by pouring your milk chocolate into your heart-shaped silicone mold. Spread the chocolate throughout your heart-shaped silicone mold and then place in the freezer. These caramel chocolate apple slices are going to be cute to add to your sweet treat menu. Now here I am putting lemon juice in a bowl, so when I cut my apple slices like here, I will place my apple slices automatically. I do this all the time. These are Cosmo Crisp apples. So I dry the apples off and then take a cookie cutter. I could have used a larger heart, but I want more caramel in my heart-shaped silicone mold. I want more caramel. Now you can add caramel, pecans, or whatever you like. I am adding my North Kakalaki caramel apple recipe. This Southern caramel apple recipe is so good. Now I am going to take my chocolate and add on top of the caramel, place in the freezer to take shape. Repeat the process with the milk chocolate heart. Add that good caramel. Ooh, that good caramel. But with this one, I think I'm going to add some pecans. And I am just going to keep repeating the process until I'm done. Now take your heart-shaped silicone molds out the freezer and detach them from the heart-shaped silicone mold. Hi there, cutie pie. These are your caramel chocolate apple slices for Valentine's Day. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.